Welcome to the project demonstration of mobile phone DTMF control irrigation system. So here we are going to control this irrigation motor with help of electromagnetic relay by providing the DTMF input to the microcontroller through this DTMF decoder IC. Means whenever a person called to this mobile phone, then this mobile phone was in auto answer mode when it was connected to the audio device like audio jack. So after 3 seconds of duration, automatically the phone lift the call, and when the call party press one button in his phone and 4 button in his phone. So to control this motor, 1 to on the motor, 4 to off the motor. So that will be identified by our microcontroller with help of a DTMF decoder IC, which will decode the tones. So as we know that when we press 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons in your phone when we call to the another person, then it will provide the tones. So those are called dual tone multiple frequency tones. So that each tone consists of a unique number. So here we are using the 4x4 matrix keypad in any phone maximum. So that will be converted into the 4-bit data. So when you press one button in your phone, then automatically 4-bit data will be generated from this decoder IC, and that will be given to the input of the microcontroller at B0, B1, B2, B3 pins. So 1 will be converted into 4-bit data, means 0001. So 0001 is nothing but in binary, in decimal in 1. So when you press 4 button in your call phone, then it will provide us the 4 number 4-bit binary data, that is 0100 for 4 button. So when we receive the 0001, so it will switch on the motor with help of this electromagnetic relay. When it receives the 0100, then it will switch off the motor. So coming to this controlling motor, so here we are using electromagnetic relay, so which will get triggered by the microcontroller with help of BC547 transistor. This relay board has the one power LED indication which will show the status of this relay, and transistor to get the trigger pulse from the microcontroller. So here the switching sequence is controller will switch on the LED as well as this transistor. Transistor will switch on this relay. Relay will switch on the motor. So this is the sequence of the system to control the motor. So here we are providing 230 volts AC input to the motor from this power socket, and 5 volts power supply to this one with help of our adapter. So this adapter will take 230 volts AC input and provide us the 5 volts DC output. So it has the 4 stages inside that. One is the transformer, and next rectification, and next filtration, and next regulation. Transformation to step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC. Rectification to convert the 12 volts AC to 12 volts pulsating DC. And filtration to remove the pulses from the 12 volts pulsating DC. So we'll get the 12 volts exact DC. And we need to regulate that to 5 volts, as the operating voltage of our microcontroller is 5 volts. So that's why we're going to use of 7805 regulator, which will take above 5 volts and provide us the constant 5 volts. So before on the gate, enable the phone in auto answer mode, and next connect that to our 3.5mm jacky, right? And now on the power supply to the motherboard. So this LED will be on and off 2 times initially, and next on the power supply to the motor. So now make a call to the phone. So right, so as it was placed in the auto answer mode, so after 3 seconds it lifts automatically, and when a person, right, so when we press one button here, so then as we can see the here also, so 0001 means 3 LEDs in off and 1. So if I want to off the motor, so it lifts automatically, and when I press 4, you can see that 0100. So LED on means 1, LED off means 0. So you can see that again. Right. So this can be controlled, the motor can be done from anywhere in the world, as we are using the GSM communication, so that we can access this DTMF tones and we can access the motor from anywhere in the world. Just thing is, we need to enable auto answer in your mobile phone which is connected at the motor end. So just call to that phone and press one button on the motor and 4 button off the motor.